Good day everyone, this is Kirby of kmacs Kitchen. Transforming leftover ulam to a new dish is actually one of my forte. And since nagluto ko ng adobo last time at may sobra, magluluto ako ngayon ng isa sa mga Pinoy favorite dishes. I know, alam nyo na kung ano yung tinutukoy ko. Today, I'll share with you my own version of adobo fried rice. Ready ka na? Tara, luto tayo!
Likas sa ating mga Pinoy ang pagiging madiskarte. Marami sa atin ang nakakaimbento ng new dish out of leftover food. Kung meron kang ham, ihalo mo lang sa itlog, meron ka ng omelet. Leftover lechon plus lechon sauce, meron ka ng lechon paksiw. At dahil tayo mga Pinoy air rice lovers, mahilig din tayo sa sinangag. Haluan mo pa ng adobo. Equals our all-time favorite adobo rice. Anything with adobo sauce or flavor, patok na patok yan sa Pinoy taste. Ganun tayo mga Pinoy, madiskarte. Ang galing, di ba? Ano bang kailangan natin? We need leftover pork adobo, 2 cups of day-old rice, oyster sauce, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, onion, bell peppers, salt and pepper, spring onion, sesame seed, and cooking oil. In a wok, mag-init lang tayo ng mantika. Let's put our minced garlic. Saute lang natin hanggang sa medyo maging toasted. Mas masarap sa fried rice yung medyo toasted yung bawang. At this point, ilagay na natin yung onions. I'm using white onion, but you can also use red or kung anong available. Once it's soft, we can now put our pork adobo. You can also use chicken adobo or whatever is available. Para sa adobo recipe ko, you can find it in the description box below. Lutuin lang natin hanggang sa lumabas yung adobo oil. Make sure lang na medium heat para hindi masunog. Lagay na natin yung bell peppers for added color. Remember, we also need to eat with our eyes, kaya dapat makulay. Naglagay din ako dito ng oyster sauce for added flavor. If you have leftover adobo sauce, you can also use that. Lagay na natin yung rice. Always remember, mas maganda is kanin lamig para di magdikit-dikit pag hinalo na natin. I also have another video on how to cook perfect fried rice. Link is in the description box. Haluin lang natin hanggang well-mixed na yung adobo and rice. Halo-halo lang hanggang well-coated na ng sauce every grain of rice.
Pwede na nating i-season to. Lagay lang tayo ng salt and pepper. Halo-halo lang. After 2 minutes, lagay na natin yung spring onions.
Let's turn the heat off and transfer this on a platter. Okay, plate na natin. So ito transfer ko lang to sa isang platter. If you want a bit of a kick, sprinkle it with some chili flakes. Masarap na kapartner nito ay pritong daing at nilagang okra. Kape na lang, solve ka na. And there you have it, everyone, our adobo fried rice. You can serve this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Thanks for watching, everyone, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe ka na rin and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga future recipes na i-share ko. And share mo na rin to sa mga friends and family members mong mahilig kumain at magluto. And also don't forget to follow Kmacs Kitchen on Facebook and Instagram. And if you have any questions or any suggested dish na gusto nyo lutuin ko, please comment down below. Malay mo, next episode natin yun na yung lutuin ko. Again, this is Kirby of Kmacs Kitchen. Tara, kain tayo!